guys, I'm just gonna make a short, nice, sweet update in my succulent garden. These are not my succulents, I know. These are the other plants here in our house. They're so pretty. Bougainvilleas. They're very nice and colorful. I'm actually into it right now. And here's another, it's another arrangement that I made during the vacation time. So, here we are. I just watered them. My propagation. So some of them already have pups, small little babies. This one, she's doing better. I placed her in water. She wasn't like, she didn't have enough water. That's why she's like that. One of my subscribers commented, and I soak it in water so that it could recover. So it's like that. And here's my big propagation tray. If you look closely, some of them have pups. There. Remember that when you propagate a succulent, they grow at their own time. They don't all sprout out at the same time. Even the same leaf doesn't sprout out at the same time. So just give it time. So I just leave it here and see if it survives, if it's okay. Then if they do good, then great. This one, I want to show you guys this one. Look, it has so many babies already. I could separate that and it could grow into this one. Just like that one. I also recommend that if you're just gonna start out and buying succulent, Fred Ives and Harry Watsons are the best kinds that you could buy because one, they survive a lot. They are easy to propagate. They are easy to take care. They change color a lot. They change shapes a lot. It depends on the climate you have. They change a lot. So it's very exciting. My black prince. I just cleaned this place the last time. And again it's dirty. Look, this is also Fred Ives and it's changing appearance also. I just scattered the pups and hope it will live and survive. See, there's another pup over there. I hope you like this kind of video. I'm planning to make this kind of video like a weekly Sunday update on my succulents. So how's your succulents doing? I hope you would comment down below and tell me how your succulents are doing. Thank you for watching. Until next week, see you guys. Bye bye.